I'm not getting animated GIFs. I'm just getting still pictures.
Mm.
And I've gone into the settings and I've gone into select animated GIFs, but it is not generating animated GIFs at all.
I think you might have turned on the optimize for Outlook button. If you did that, it's not going to generate an animated GIF, but just a still thumbnail because that works for
Mhm.
Outlook users. If you sent out like an animated GIF preview to an
Hmm.
Outlook user, if they click the play button, it's just
Hmm.
gonna play the GIF. It is not hyperlink for people to go or to redirect in the video landing page. So to get that
Understood.
optimized, there are two ways. So one, if you're using your Dubb Chrome extension, so if you go to share and send, then go to advanced options. Do not optimize this for Outlook. Yeah, just uncheck that. Copy for email, and then when you paste it in Gmail
Hmm.
or Outlook, it should generate an animated GIF preview just like this.
Will it put an animated GIF in with Outlook now?
Yeah. So let me just log into our Outlook account here. New mail.
Ah, sure as hell. Got it.